Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action perspective, which was a monster, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So needless to say, a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward into Thursday, including mine. So I just want to go over a couple of key levels here that I'll be watching. Then I think a lot of other traders will be watching. And I make the comment about a lot of other traders because when you can identify levels that lots of other people are watching, I mean, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. That can definitely create some very, dynamic movements. So that's really what I'm going to be searching for here. And the first level that I think is going to really stand out to a whole lot of people from the support side of things is this area right here at 126.50. This was a former area of resistance right here, and just a foundational rule in charting states when actually I just noticed it now, it acted as resistance right there before the price finally broke above it. But a foundational rule in charting states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And 126.50 is going to be a level that a lot of people are going to be watching and wondering, because it's a more than valid question, that if the price comes down here, is that level going to hold, or is the price going to break? And if the price does break, I mean, not a guarantee of anything, but again, it's a rational thought to have that very well could create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. And when I say selling pressure, I don't mean, and therefore send it down to 112. I'm just saying that could create enough selling pressure where it couldn't be a tradable opportunity, because the next level of support essentially not until down around the 124 mark. So there's definitely some wiggle room there, but nonetheless, from the support side of things, again, 126.50 and then down there at 124. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level to watch going forward is going to be right here at, let's see, what is that? At the 130 mark. And 130, I mean, every breakout player and their mother's uncle is going to be watching this level. I mean, you go through there, rejected. And you look at today, rejected. So there are going to be tons of people watching 130, myself included. So if this thing can get a break up through 130, again, not a guarantee, but it is definitely a valid thought to have that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So keep an eye on that going forward. But all in all, definitely a very eventful day and a lot of interesting levels moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.